Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm back. Oh, no, face lost. I am back in the country, in the UK to be exact. And does it feel good to be back? Come on, focus. Some ways it does, bittersweet. It is 7 AM Sunday morning. It's Goodwood Breakfast Club. Literally just returned. Landed back in the country yesterday at about 5 PM. So I may look super haggard right now, but I woke up early because of jet lag, and I remembered that I had tickets for the Breakfast Club, which is 3 to 10 at Goodwood. I could have easily driven there now and seen the nice cars, but a YouTuber by the name of MrHcars will, I'll link his channel to the description. He's hosting a roadstarr meet. So roadstarr meet is basically you meet up, you plan a drive or route to the destination, and it just, for me, it just makes the whole going to the event a lot more funner if you convoy with lots of different cars. I'll be a bit late to the meeting point, but I did tell Will I'll catch up guys on the route. So it's clear traffic ahead, so I'll push through and then I'll catch you guys up when I'm hopefully linked up with the rest. Guys, just got to the meeting point. Car's really dirty. Morning, Will, you already? Here goes nothing. Driving into Goodwood. Just went on a very amazing convoy here organized by MrHcars, Will, of course. And yeah, cars are descending into Goodwood Estate. This is my second time attending a breakfast club, but it's the first time we're attending a drive beforehand, which was really cool. Alright guys, this is the Goodwood Breakfast Club. Literally day after my flight, just landed. So it's a nice, cool, chilly day here in the UK. Right, we're now on top of the paddocks. Give you guys a clearer view of some of the supercars that are here in this jam-packed event. Cars as far as the main straight of Goodwood racetrack. It's Riviera. Classic Ferraris. Colorful cars here.
The racing car, super light.
Patiently waiting for the next car to come, but doesn't look like any cars coming down, so I'll head to the main paddocks once again. What is that? Mystery car around the bush? Oh, GT3 RS. Lamborghini Aventador. Ferrari 360 maybe. 458. Not bad. Okay, less people here. All supercars. I think this might be the Ferrari that we were behind earlier, which sounded super epic. Didn't get much videos of it. Wow, 600 LT. Within one at this very circuit. Link down below. You want to see that passenger ride? My first time on track. Speciale 488 720S. Interesting wrap. Wow, interesting wrap. Check this out for DeLorean. Perfect. One of the best sounding V10s.
Ja.